that was a really cool article. Airline is epic.
I know, airplanes are so cool.
Oh yeah, I've been on an airplane. They're so much fun.
Not airplanes, airline.
Wait, what? I'm so confused.
Airplanes, airlines, aren't they the same?
Airplanes, yeah.
No, airline is a manufacturing hydraulics organization. They do so many things.
So the company's named Airline. It's actually Airline Hydraulics, but the company, the airline is interesting. It has nothing to do with airplanes or anything like that. An airline or a tube would be the thing that carries pneumatic pressure. So that's where the airline came from.
Okay, that explains the airline part, but what about hydraulics?
Hydraulics is really the use of a fluid to do work, right? So to perform work. The best way you could, think of hydraulics is, looking at a backhoe or an excavator. So something that the big yellow machines or orange machines that dig holes in the ground.
Even something as life-changing as COVID-19 didn't stop the manufacturer.
As a company, we did some things that were pretty unique during COVID or early on. We started to make the sneeze guards. I think for us, COVID showed us that we can be remote, we can come together as a company, at the same time being really creative in terms of how we reinvent ourselves.
Okay, sounds interesting, but how is it cool? Why would you want to work in manufacturing?
I think it's cool because I get to have my input on certain jobs. There's a lot of creativity in our job.
We want to bring young people into our business.
The children are our future, and we need to get as many of you as interested in this kind of work, because this work will keep our country and keep our world going.
I think if you're interested in manufacturing, you have a tremendous opportunity to bring joy into people's lives and really make a meaningful difference for people.
And Mr. Steffens has a great piece of advice for us all.
Don't chase a title in life, chase your happiness.
And that happiness could be right behind the doors of Airline Hydraulics.
Oh wow, I never imagined the company could do so many cool things.
I knew you guys would like this.
See, that's why I told you to read that article about airline.
Well, I still love airplanes.